Salamatsiz darbi, minim atim Lesslie Viguerie, min АКШнын Kyrgyzstandagı жаңы, элчиси. I'm thrilled to be here in Bishkek with my wife, Catherine. I've been a diplomat for over 30 years, and Catherine has been with me and encouraged me since the start. We have 3 children, William, George, and Clara. They're pursuing their own careers and passions, and we hope that all 3 will be able to visit the Kyrgyz Republic. Having served in Uzbekistan, I'm no stranger to the region or to plov, and I'm especially excited to be back in Central Asia. As a matter of fact, this is not my first time in the Kyrgyz Republic. 10 years ago, I had the opportunity to travel to Bishkek, and what I remember most is the kindness and hospitality of the Kyrgyz people. Little did I know then that I would be back here as ambassador. I cannot wait to learn more about the Kyrgyz Republic's rich history, experience its unique culture and traditions, and enjoy the beautiful mountain landscapes. Most importantly, I look forward to making new friendships with you along the way. The United States and the Kyrgyz Republic have recently celebrated more than 30 years of diplomatic relations. The relationship between our governments was built on and has been sustained by values shared by the Kyrgyz and American people, such as a love of freedom, respect for nature, and commitment to justice. The United States will continue to be a strong partner to the Kyrgyz Republic and support its sovereignty, independence, and territorial integrity. Together, we can achieve mutual objectives that not only benefit our 2 countries, but the whole of Central Asia. Dostlugumuz bekimde bersin.